Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have an Xbox One controller with 10% drift on the right stick. Okay, let's now disassemble the device. For this video we will use a different way to fix.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So the first thing you must do is to clean with IPA. So the IPA did nothing.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how.
At this point I want to thank the computer rebooter for sharing this information. At the end of the video you can see his perfect explanation.
You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
Now we add a resistor around 42k to 47 to 45k. My multimeter shows this resistor is 44k. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Where we gotta be, you know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Now it's time to test it. As you can see, it's now 10%. Anything below 9% it's good. You can add one more 100k resistor, but for this I decided to let the booter to show you. So thank you for watching.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
As you can see on that left stick, if you look right here, we have a 12% drift. It says 0.12. That's a 12% drift left and right. And then the axis 1, which is also 12% up and down. More like 14%. That's pretty bad. That's really bad, actually. So, damn, Jake. I'm super rich, bro. Y'all are crazy. So I need to correct it to the right and down to get it to the center. So we're at basically 15% drift on both sides. So I might actually have to use two 43 kilo ohms. We want to make it go to the right and go down. So what we're going to do is go back to the board, right and down.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
We're going to start with a 43 kilo ohm on each one.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you're.
So right is going to be on the left and up and down is the correct orientation. So what I mean by that is that if you're looking at the controller from this correct up and down orientation, the left and right pot is going to be backwards and the up and down is going to be correct. If that makes any sense to you, let's see. So for instance, here's the one joystick. If I put it on the left side, it's going to make it correct it to the right. If I put it on the right, it's going to correct it to the left. And then the up and down is correct. So if I put it up, it's going to move it up. If I put it down, it's going to move it down. Left is going to move it right, and right is going to move it left. So since I need to move it to the right, I'm going to stick it on the left. as a 45 ohm. So we're going to take this guy. And then we're going to take the up and down. We want it to move down, so we're actually going to move it here. Be able to see it. So we just moved it to the right and down. Let's check it now. Pretty darn good. It's got a maybe like a 3 or 4% drift left to the left. 4% drift to the left and a 4% drift up. So it did about 10% drift on that one resistor. I can try doing and adding 100 kilo ohm to that, but you're going to be good. So that's probably the best I'm going to be able to do. But the stick was completely unusable previously, so let's try. We'll add 100 on each as well.
Have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Actually, it worked this time. So I have a 0.003 left to right and a 0.011 up and down, which is very amazing. Yeah. Yeah.
We gotta be. You know you'll have a good time wherever you're